Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by making sure your phone is safe and synced. Start with an iOS update and a quick backup, then confirm contacts are enabled for iCloud or each account. Once done, go straight to Settings then Contacts. You're not choosing an app, you're changing system rules. Set sort order and display order from the settings screen so the phone uses first names everywhere. Make sure changes stick before leaving this menu. That single settings change is the only way the system sorts by first name. Next, confirm every account that holds contacts is syncing properly. Go to Settings, Contacts, Accounts and enable contacts for Gmail, Exchange, or other providers. Once enabled, open the Contacts app and pull down to refresh so the system reindexes. If you imported vCards or merged from multiple sources, scan for duplicates and unify names so first name fields are populated correctly. This step explains why some contacts still show last name sorting. Finally, confirm the change by opening contacts and browsing your list. Names should now be arranged by first name. If you still see last name order, toggle contacts off and on for iCloud or the specific account, then restart the iPhone to force reindexing. Make sure you have a backup before signing out of iCloud. Signing back in will resync everything. One troubleshooting tip: if names appear blank or merged incorrectly, edit a sample contact to confirm first name is populated and saved, then recheck sorting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.